asked my husband, he would say that I've been a caregiver my whole life, and I've always wanted to do something like this. I tell people it feeds my soul. What I do, it just comes naturally.
The lady I take care of right now, she has dementia. Being there, she likes you to watch TV with her, you know. I mean, a lot of people, they don't need a lot of care. It's more companionship than care.
I have learned from my experience that the longer somebody can stay in their home, the much better they are. You don't have to do it by yourself.
And I think families, if they're considering it, they don't want their parents to be in a nursing home. They want them to be at home and still live the life they've been living. It's almost like you're part of the family.